Hey guys, it's Coach Julie again. And right now I'm going to read some questions from Reddit.
What's up? This is Billy Crawford and this is my Reddit AMA.
Okay, first question. Not a question, but release more Tagalog songs. Also a concert featuring all your originals. Maybe few renditions din sa YouTube book. Yes, new songs on the way. Working on it. Actually, may mga nasulat na ako, pero syempre itutuloy ko pa. I've been thinking of doing a concert featuring all my songs as well, even the previous songs. Quick story lang talaga. So recently, I was on the way to an event. My sister was driving. Nasa harap ako sa passenger seat. And then, piniplay ko yung mga songs, mga lumang songs ko sa car. Sabi niya, ate, cover ka kaya ng mga songs mo? Pwede ba yun? Ganyan-ganyan. Or gawa ka ng ng mga sarili mo rendition. So, like talagang sabi ko, parang, naku, magandang to ha. And I haven't done a concert na medyo matagal na actually. So, what I've been thinking is to plan out a concert or like a gig. Siguro, di ko pa alam kasi kung anong magiging logistics, but I was thinking of like doing an intimate one, maybe siguro 1 or like 2 nights, ganyan, para lahat din makapanood. And I'm going to sing all of my songs. So yeah, I haven't done that sa kahit anong concert ko. Like as in, halos lahat ng mga songs ko. Kasi na-realize ko na dami kong kanta, pero sayang kasi hindi ko na gagamit masyado or like hindi ko talaga siya nakakanta at all. So right now, my goal is that. I will update you. Don't worry.
Will you be releasing new music similar to Bright Lights and Track? Hey there, yes, I'm releasing new music next year. And of course, I'm not going to tell you more.
Did it ever cross your mind to do bar gigs or form a band? Yes! Oh my gosh. Alam mo, matagal na. Alam mo, pangarap ko yun magkaroon ako ng sariling band. Since high school ako actually. Busy pa kasi ako at that time, but since I have more time to focus on my music, maybe one of these days, makapag-decide ako to do all of those things. Kasi sobrang dami ko talagang gustong gawin. And my chance naman, of course.
You've been doing The Voice for 3 seasons now. How would you describe your experience being a coach in each season and working with Coach Julie, Stel, Chito, Pablo, Zack, Ben, and Ben? It's been super fun getting to know people and personalities, and frankly, was hoping I'd meet someone rude. But sadly, no. Lahat sila top.
Hi Julie, how does it feel to be the voice coach for 3 seasons now? How is it working with the coaches, Billy, Stel, Chito, Pablo, Zack, and Ben? It's truly an honor to be chosen as one of the coaches. Alam mo, sobrang pangarap ko magturo ever since to school or in any way related to my craft. And it's great to witness such talented people. I become an instant fan. With the coaches naman, I can say we have an incredible bond. Sarap sa pakiramdam that even outside the Voice kids, sila yung pwede mo makausap about anything in life. They're great people, as in.
Kung magiging isang Pilipino merienda ka, ano ito at bakit? A. Isa akong chicharon. Dahil minsan, malutong akong magsalita.
Okay, gusto mo bang mag-release ng concept album or kontento ka na sa release lang ng mga songs? Right now, I'm just enjoying the space to create when and what I can. So, wala namang pressure para sa akin. Although, pag mas may maraming time sana, I mean, like, why not, diba? So far kasi talagang medyo busy. Medyo book lang talaga, as in, makikita niyo yung schedule ko, puro pula talaga. Pero, ano naman, when I have time, I make sure to it na talagang quality time yung gagawin ko. Like, for example, I'd spend hours in the music room or in my studio or write or just, immerse myself into like art or music talaga. Kasi it makes me feel more mentally stimulated. Ayun.
How did you get the Pokemon, the first movie gig when you sang the Pokemon theme. Paano nila ikaw kinuha? Pokemon fan ka ba noon o pamilyar ka ba sa Pokemon nung time na yon? Parang di kasi ako makapaniwala na ikaw talaga yon. My manager was called to put me on the movie soundtrack with other upcoming artists as well. I think it was M2M. It was a great opportunity and I took it. So, kung hindi ka makapaniwala, I'm your nightmare.
Hello, Coach Julie. I really like your overall vibe and style. My question is, what Disney movie song would you sing to a friend and why? Actually, whether Disney or not, ang gusto ko talagang song is For Good talaga. So, sobrang it's my all-time favorite. As in, nag-stuck talaga siya sa akin. And recently lang siya nag-sink in kasi nga kinover namin siya ni Rita. Tapos, the more I listen to it, parang, ewan ko, it brings me back to the good old days eh. Basta marami akong mga naaalala kapag naririnig ko yung kantang yon. Tapos kapag ginakanta namin siya, hindi namin maiwasan na maging emotional kasi talagang intro pala nakakaiyak na. Lord. Ayun. Anyway, that's For Good.
Sa pagsasayaw or kanta, sino ang inspirasyon nyo? MJ, Gary V, and a lot of choreographers from the States.
Hi Jules, can you tell us more about mentoring journey with the kids this season? What are some tips that you gave to Jules Squad semi-finalist Marian and Arian? I always tell the kids to have fun and enjoy lang. I don't want to pressure them. Always have faith sa sarili nila at sa mga kaya nilang gawin. Ganun naman kasi talaga kapag, especially mga kids eh, diba? Medyo ano sila like, you know, like, kung ano yung makita nila, gagawin nila, kung ano yung tinuro sa kanila, yun yung kakopihin nila or gagayahin nila. So, I always just tell them to have fun lang talaga. Kasi, alam mo yun, mga bata pa sila, enjoy your youth, and have fun on stage, give your best lang palagi. Kasi, alam mo yun, yun yung ano natin eh, yun yung kailangan natin eh. Tsaka ano lang, talagang, yeah, just enjoy the moment.
As a coach on The Voice Kids, what is the single most important piece of advice you give to young aspiring artists that is not about the competition? It's about the learnings and progress to make it somehow.
Ano ang mas mahirap, maging coach or performer? Well, para sa akin, there's more weight sa pagiging coach kasi syempre may responsibility itong kaakibat. Pag performer ka kasi, wala ka ibang iisipin eh. Talagang kung nasa nature mo na or nasa, alam mo yun, muscle memory mo na siya na ito yung gagawin mo eh, ito yung trabaho mo, diba? Yeah, that if coach ka kasi, merong kasamang wisdom, alam mo yun, may kasamang thoughts, opinions, and magre-rely sa'yo yung tinuturuan mo. And then again, may responsibility siyang kasama. So, hindi talaga siya madali. Hindi lang sa sa mga opinions eh, pero parang yung para kang para kang nagka-counsel na rin at the same time eh. Kasi syempre kino-condition mo yung bata, kino-condition mo yung talent mo. And you always have to make them feel safe with you. And talagang kailangan mong ma-earn yung trust nila at yung trust ng bawat isa.
Coach, kasi kasalanan mo ang lahat. It's true.
MK, Maria Clara at Ibarra, changed my life. Tsaka like, wow, grabe. Parang, I was transformed into a whole new person, I can say. Yeah, marami akong mga realizations and parang iba yung perception ko sa buhay. Okay, what are some of the biggest challenges you have faced and what did you learn from them? Well, number one, pandemic was a big struggle. Hindi lang para sa akin, but I believe for everyone else din. Yeah, I also felt anxious about it. And kasi hindi ko alam kung ano ba kung saan pa ba patungo yung mga pangyayari sa buhay natin, di ba? Like, what's next after? The number two, the feeling of being stuck and left out. I think we all felt that way. Yung parang feeling mo na ang dami-dami nangyari, nakaka-overwhelm, tapos parang naiiwan ka na or something like that. And then, stuck ka kasi like wala kang choice, wala kang magawa. And then, school days were also a challenge, but satisfying naman siya and fulfilling. I remember na when I started being in the industry, talagang wala. As in, parang I had to divide my time para sa school at para sa trabaho. Pero kaya naman siya kasi talagang sabi ko, hindi ako pwede mag-stop ng school because school was always my number one priority. And then I entered the industry and then I promised to myself na sige, okay, to graduate ako because it's also a gift that you can give back to your parents.
What's your most favorite French food you enjoy eating? Foie gras et steak tartare.
The coaches this season seem to be laid back and have a good bond. Chika naman dyan. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, wala nang natuloy sa planong lalabas o lakad namin. Kasi kailan ba tayo lalabas? Kailan ba? Schedule na natin yan. Tara, ganyan-ganyan. Wala, puro drawing lang talaga lahat. Pero kidding aside, they're all very fun to be with. Sobrang chill lang. I can say that they're my kind of people. Yeah, I really, I really have conversations with them na parang, okay, these people talaga. Ito yung, I can say na ito yung pwede kong mga makausap about whatever, anything under the sun. They're great people, super.
Based on your past experiences in life, what can be your words of wisdom for the people in the Philippines right now? Pa-shoutout din po. Shoutout Sir Rafael. Sup Rafael? If I may say something about our country and in its state, I would say pray for it. And pray hard, we need it the most.
Message to people na natatakot magsimula. That is totally okay. Hindi dapat ito minamadali. Sa sarili mong paraan at panahon. You always have a choice. And when you're finally there, fulfilling siya sa pakiramdam.
Coach Billy, sinong indie OPM artist na gusto mong maka-collab for making music? Don't really know indie, but OPM artists, Zack, Arthur Neri, and Flo G. Were you happy that Baggy Pants made a comeback? Hell yeah! Woo! What's the best part about being a coach for the Voice Kids? I get to be honest with them and teach them more about life than singing because they're great singers as it is. Do you have a favorite artist song in particular? Also personal music taste. Right now, Don Toliver is right up there. And maraming kanta ni Don Toliver sa internet ngayon, so it's kind of hard to pick which one.
Alright, that's it. Thank you so much guys for sending in your questions. Nag-enjoy akong sagutin lahat yon. Pero sana mas matagal pa yung pag-uusap natin at sana mas marami pa akong panahon mag-type. Pero I have to go. And don't forget to join the official subreddit r/Kamaning Station. See you there.
So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching my Reddit here. Maraming salamat mga kapuso. And of course, please do not forget to subscribe the official subreddit r/Kamaning Station. God bless everybody. Take care.